Happy birthday. Don't tell me. Blow out the candles.
Blow. Happy birthday
to you.
It's hot?
Blow it out.
Blow.
Blow it, Rhonda.
Blow. Look, it restarted.
Blow it out.
Blow.
Blow it out.
She's scared.
Then blow them out.
Come on. Blow, you make a wish.
Ready?
Come on. See, they're not going to hurt.
Blow. Blow it out like it's cold. Cool it off.
She said, no way.
Oh, put them out.
Do you want to see it? Mommy help you? Yay, Mommy help you. Yay. Ah, what happened? Blow it out. Hurry, blow it. It's going to come back.
Well, not this year.